Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Subaru Starlink app on your phone. Alright, if you drive a Subaru and you want to set up to the Subaru Starlink app on your phone, I'm going to explain step by step in very simple terms. First, unlock your phone and open the App Store. In the search bar, type My Subaru. This is the official app used for Subaru Starlink service. Download the app. Once it's installed, open the app. Tap Create Account, enter your email address, create a password and follow the steps to verify your mail. After you logged in, the app will ask you to add your vehicle. Tap Add Vehicle. Now you need your VIN number. You can find it on your insurance card, on your registration. Type in the VIN and tap Continue. The app will now connect your vehicle. Next, you will see option for Starlink remote service. This includes things like remote start, lock and unlock door, vehicle status, vehicle location. To use this feature, you must have an active Starlink subscription. Many new vehicles from Subaru includes a free trial. It promotes follow the steps to activate the free trial or subscription. Once setup is complete, your vehicle will appear on the home screen. From here, you can see start your car remotely, lock or unlock door, check fuel level, see maintenance alert, and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.